Okay. Hello. This is GK class, class 4th. Students, today we will discuss 3 topics: telephone etiquette, smiling, and just for laugh. Page number 7, 8, and 9 in your books. Okay. First, telephone etiquette. Students, first of all, we will discuss what about telephone conversation. So, students, a telephone call is a connection over a telephone network between the called party and calling party. Short of talking with someone face to face, a phone call is the best way to get a personal response. Okay. And conference call, you know very well. A conference call is a telephone call in which someone talks to several people at the same time. And video call. Video call means call made via a mobile phone with a camera and a screen, allowing the participants to see each other as they talk. Okay. So now we will discuss about telephone etiquette. Telephone etiquette implies the manner of using telephone communication, including the way you represent your business or yourself, greeting the receiver, the tone of voice, and the choice of the words, listening skills, and the closure of the call, etc. Okay. Students, conversation plays an important role in binding relationships. So we should follow some guidelines while talking on the phone. First of all, we will see the conversation between Sana and Rohan. Okay. And they discuss good telephone etiquettes. First of all, Sana. This is the conversation between two friends, Sana and Rohan. Sana, hello, may I talk to Rohan, please? Rohan, speaking. Who are you? Sana, this is Sana. Rohan, so what do you want? Sana, can you spare 5 times for me? Rohan, hurry up. I have to rush to play. Sana, never mind. I shall call you later. Rohan, okay. Sana, nice talking to you. Bye. Rohan bangs the phone down. Okay, this is the good conversation, good telephone etiquette. Okay, it shows the good telephone etiquette. Okay. Next is list. Below are some points which we should remember while talking on the phone. Okay. इन कुछ पॉइंट्स को आपने हमेशा फॉलो करना है when you are on call. First of all, we should talk politely. Okay. Students, we should use only soft or sweet words. Okay. We should not use any hard word to anyone on phone. Second is we should greet people when we start our conversation, like good morning, hello, namaste. Okay, like this. And third is we must greet goodbye before ending our conversation. Okay. And fourth is while talking to elders, we should always be respectful. Okay, like if they are younger, then तब भी आपको उसके साथ रिस्पेक्ट से बात करना है. अगर वो आपसे बड़े हैं, एल्डर है, तो जैसे लाइक अंकल, आंट, ओके, टीचर्स, तो उनके साथ मैम, अंकल, आंट, रिस्पेक्टफुली आपको बात करना है. ठीक है. Then fifth point is we should be a good listener and let others say what they want to. First of all, listener, अच्छे से सुनना है आपको उनकी बात को, वो क्या आपको बताना चाहते हैं. Okay. And sixth point is we should offer to take the message if the required person is not around. Suppose अगर आपकी मदर या फादर या घर में किसी भी मेंबर के लिए कॉल है, तो उसका मैसेज आपको उसको देना है. ओके. Next chapter, smiley. Smiley means internet and modern computer image formats allowed the smiley to move online. Smiley are a powerful way to express emotions. Means no need to show your emotions so long in words. Smiley allows you to provide your emotions in a very short and correct way. We have a lot of emojis available in on phone. You can see in picture. In this picture, we have some smileys. Each smiley give a message, different message. First one is first face. This is the smile face. You can see in left side. Okay. Second is frown. ये sad face है ना इसका. Third is a wink. Means through eyebrow expression. Laughing. ये देखो laugh कर रहा है. Tongue out. इसने tongue बाहर निकाला हुआ है. Then yell. Yell means होता है चिल्लाना. ये देखो cry कर रहा है. Next, in right side, cool. This face shows cool. And next is cry. Okay. Then lips sealed. Then innocent. Okay. And then surprise. Miss बिल्कुल surprise हो गया कि पता ही नहीं है जैसे किसी बात का. So that face shows surprise. And angry. अगर गुस्सा आता है तो ये स्माइली आप शो कर सकते हो. Okay. So all emojis shows their expressions. So some graphical smiley emotions are given below. Write their meaning in the space provided. ये देखो आपकी बुक्स में ये given है. Students, you have to write their name. जो picture है उसको देख के आप उसका name mention करोगे यहाँ. You can see first picture is worried. Okay. This picture shows worried about something. Second picture looks like devil. Okay. Third picture shows देखो इसने face कितना खोल रखा है, means crying. Fourth is smile कर रहा है ना तो big smile. Fifth picture shows straight face, कुछ भी नहीं है, देखो सीधी लाइन लगाई हुई है, straight face. Sixth picture rolling on the floor laughing, means जैसे बहुत ज्यादा हंसना. Okay. And seventh picture shows sleeping face, eyes closed है, it shows the closed eyes. This is a sleeping face. Eighth point is looks like sick. Okay. Ninth picture wears a cap, party cap, so it means it shows party. Then 10th picture is thinking something, है ना, so daydreaming. And 11th picture looks जैसे कि घबरा जाता है किसी को देख के, तो ये लॉयर, ठीक है, जैसे कुछ गलत या झूठ बोला हो. 12th is loser, looks जैसे कि जोक करना या कुछ इस तरह से मजाक बनाना किसी का, loser. Okay, students. So the smiley face is a well-known symbol of happiness. It was created 50 years ago by late Harvey Rosenbaum in Massachusetts. He made the design in less than 10 minutes and was paid $45 for his work. Okay, and in early 1970s, brothers Bernard and Murray Spain, owners of 2 Hallmark card shops in Philadelphia, added the word "Have a nice day" to the smile face. Smiley face मतलब smiley face को वहां first time उसने show किया "Have a nice day" के साथ. So in your book, at the end of the this page, it shows let's play. So in FaceTime, kids try to identify moods. You have some pictures given in your book. So you will identify moods based on facial expressions. आप उसको identify करेंगे कि उनके क्या expressions हैं. So by either cutting faces out of magazines or using pictures printed out, groups need to identify what they think that person is feeling and put the faces into piles based on different emotions. Okay, and the more subtle the expression, the more interesting the conversation. Next topic is just for laugh. These are just jokes, but this is a very serious jokes. Conversation between, first of all, conversation between teacher and student. Okay, first of all, student said, Dakshit, Dakshit, well, so I decided to wait a little while until it settles down. Means वो अपने टीचर से क्या बोल रहा है कि well, my dad says the world is changing every day. कि जो world है वो daily change होता रहता है. So I decided to wait a little while कि थोड़ा टाइम मैं वेट करूंगा ताकि ये settled हो जाए. Okay, and teacher angrily, अब यहाँ आंसर दे रही है. It is clear that you haven't studied your geography. What's your excuse? Means उसको geography के बारे में वो कह रही है कि तेरे को पता नहीं है आपको और but what's your excuse? Okay, this is just for laugh. Okay, second conversation, that is between father and son. Son saying, first of all, father saying, aren't you first in anything at school? Miss, हर कोई पेरेंट्स चाहता है कि हमारा बच्चा कहीं ना किसी की aren't you first in anything at school? So son saying, sure daddy, I'm the first one out when the bell rings. यानी कि डिपार्चर के टाइम पे जब बेल होती है तो मैं सबसे पहले बाहर आता हूँ, या जब भी कोई बेल होती है तो मैं पहली बार आ जाता हूँ. ओके, so this is the answer by the son. Next, third conversation is between teacher and student. First of all, teacher from the student. Students, if 1 and 1 make 2, 2 and 2 make 4, how much do 4 and 4 make? Student saying, that's not fair, ma'am. You answer the easy one yourself and leave the hard ones for वाले हमारे लिए छोड़ दिए. Just for love. Okay. Raj teachers always rewarded good work by putting a gold star at the top of her students' homework. One day, Raj came home with a big 0 at the top of his paper. Now, mother asking, Raj, what does this mean? And Raj saying, oh, my ma'am ran out of stars, so she gave me a moon. Okay, this is just for laugh. So students, read these all topics, and this is the exercise of fill exercise in your books and solve this exercise on your notebook. Okay, students, thank you students. Have a nice day. Stay safe, stay at home.